Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Check Android version and model so you know which menus to use. Once done, make sure Do Not Disturb is off and notification volume is up. Muted sound is often the culprit. Next, open Settings and go to Apps. Select the app that stopped notifying. You're preparing context so changes you make match your device. This saves time and prevents chasing the wrong settings later. Now you dig into the app-level fixes. Tap Notifications and re-enable any disabled channels. These channels control banners, sound, and badges. Then clear cache and force stop the app. Reopening forces the system to re-register notification endpoints. Make sure battery optimization isn't restricting the app and that background data is allowed, because aggressive power management blocks notifications from. Finish by applying system-level remedies. Restart your phone and install any pending system updates. You want the latest fixes. If problems persist, reset app preferences to restore defaults or boot into safe mode to test whether a third-party app blocks notifications. Finally, remove and re-add the app account or reinstall the app to rebuild notification registration. If none of this works, troubleshooting tip: test with a different user or account to isolate whether the issue is app-specific or system-wide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.